In this video, we'll learn how to create the inventory count workflow using the Syrve Web application. To create the workflow, we have to go to System Setting and Maintenance, click on the Inventory, and for setting up the stock count using the Syrve Web, there are two important things. One, you have to create the product template. That product template we'll be using in the inventory count. So first, click on the product template and then click on Add button to create a new product template. So here we can type the name of the product template. So let's say we are creating it for the daily stock count. Same way we can create for the monthly stock count as well. And here in the stores, you can select for which store you are creating. So if you're creating the same template for all these stores, you can keep the all stores. In case if you are creating for some stores, go to list of stores and then here you can choose all the stores which you are creating this product template for. In our example, we are going to use this for all the stores. So we keep it all stores, then click on the products. Now here, click on the add product button, click on the product. You can choose the product one by one or you can choose the group of the products. In our example, we are going ahead with the product. So we click on products. Now click on the filter icon. If you want to only count the products and the semi-finished, so you can untick the item and the modifier. So it will be showing only the products and the semi-finished good. In case if you want to create this template only for the product, you can untick the semi-finished as well. Now all your products are showing. You can either click on check mark icon where your all products will be selected, or you can manually select whichever product you want to count. So in our example, let's take some of the product. Once you have created, now click on save. Now in this template, you see it's coming with all the different packing units as well. We can click on save. Now our product template have been created. Now we see the daily stock count template have been created. To create the inventory count workflow, we need to go to inventory count. In the inventory count, we need to create the workflow. So we click on add. In the add button, we type the name of the workflow. So let's say we are creating it for the daily stock count. Then if you want to add any description, you can add the description, click on next. Now, here also you can select the store if it is for all the stores or it is for any specific store that we can select it from here. In case of specific stores, click on stores and then you can choose the stores for which you are creating. If it is for all the stores, keep it all stores, click on next. Then it is asking for which storage you are creating. So if you already have created different storage and set up the storages, you can click on the storage type and then you can choose if it is for the bar or for the kitchen. In our example, we are going to use the main storage. Click on next. On the schedule setup, you can choose if you want to create this document automatically based on the month. Example, we'll be creating this workflow to use it either automatic process, so the document will be created automatic based on the setup you will be doing. So here there are different kind of setups. So you can, let's say for example, if you are going ahead with weekly, so you can select on which date at what time this document will automatically create, or else we can go ahead with monthly. And then from here you can choose if the document will be created on the first of the every month or whichever date, or even the last working day or the last day. Based on this, you can create, and you can also specify the time when the document will be created. In our example, we are going to create it no defined schedule so that we can do the stock count whenever we want, and also days to expire. Any document by default is set to expire on the 24 hours. If you want to extend this document expiry days, you can just put the days, number of days when this document will be expired. Also, you can use this slider to increase or decrease the number. So in our example, we are going to use the 3 days. Now click on next, select the product template, click on here, and now we are going to select for which one we are creating. We are creating for the daily stock count. So we have already created the product template called the daily stock count. We have selected it. Click on next. Keep the account as default accounts. Click on next. Now here we see all the settings which we have done. If everything is correct, you can simply click on save. Your product count template have been created. So now we have created the product template. Also, we have created the inventory count workflow. To the stock count, we have to go to inventory, click on the inventory, and then inside the inventory, you have the option for the inventory count. Click on the inventory count, and from here, we can create. If it is set as automatic process like monthly or weekly, whichever you select, automatically you will see there is a document which will be created on this specified date. In case if it is a manual process, you need to click on create, click on the daily stock count, or you can choose the different workflow also. if you'll be creating. In our example, we only have the daily stock count. Once the document is created, you can mark it start. So the moment you click on start, now your count have been started. Now you have 3 days to complete this work count. Click on start when you want to count. Now here you can define all the products with how many quantities you are having. So let's say in our example, 12-ounce cup, we have total 250 pieces. 750 container, we have like 10 pieces. 8-ounce cup, let's say we have 20 pieces. Beans, maybe we have 1.5 kilo. Beef boneless, we have 2 kilo. Once we click on apply, our product count have been done. We need to click on the complete area count. Once you have added all your products and you have finished all the countings, you can check by clicking on the continue. If in case if you want to make any changes, you still can make the changes. But once you click on complete area count, now you can click on submit. Once you click the submit, the document is posted now, and it will be showing the total surplus and the total shortage amount. If you click on OK, your document have now gone to the completed. Your stock count have been completed.